I got a call today that said, hey, my dryer's not working. That's when I responded with, well, why are you calling me? My wife on the other end of the line said, Brad, just get to work. Okay, so we got a 2018 Whirlpool that isn't drying. And prior to it not drying, it was making a bunch of racket. So I'm gonna spin it around and take that back panel off real quick. Don't want to lose those, put them somewhere safe, like in a roll of tape. And behind here, you're gonna see, it's a work of art. That's actually not even a little bit accurate, but that's where your lint goes. You really gotta make sure those stay clean. We don't want a house fire. Now I'm just gonna sneak around front here and just pop this top off real quick. This is gonna give us the aerial view of the drum. Now right under here is where we can see the problem. The first thing you can notice is there's some shiny metal right there. Yep, that would be why it's not spinning. And then around back, we should be able to dig it out. Yep, it's in there. Stick your hands in there with all the spiders. And if you've been on this page for more than a minute, you know what I think of spiders. Now, if you look at this belt, you can kind of tell by the way it is. That's not how it's supposed to be. So where on earth are we gonna find a belt like that? Well, let's start by grabbing the model number and head to partselect.com. No, this is not a sponsored video, but hey, if they're watching, go ahead and slide into my DMs, would you? $16 for the belt? I'm gonna get that ordered right away.